To you, sir.
Thanks a lot for your compliment. So, hi to all of you developers. We are basically from Markelytics, which is one of the top market research companies worldwide. So, you guys must be wondering that why a market research company and all of you game developers and app developers out here. So I would like to share with you that I have been working closely with mobile app developers for the last several years in different roles, and all through I have seen closely that what are the various pain points that the developers have, especially when it comes to monetization and promotion of their apps. So basically, at Markelytics, what we did is we have recently been working on a revolutionary SDK that will help you not only increase your app engagement rate with the users, but also it will help you monetize in a very big way. So today we are making a debut announcement for Zippy Revs. We call it Zippy Revs because as in Zippy as in speedy, and revs as in revenues, as you all call it in the app monetization world. So basically how it works is that we have a small 20 KB JavaScript API that developer chooses where to insert it in the app, and once you have integrated it, which is a very easy process, then any of your user can take a 3 to 4 question, or maybe around 5 to 6 questions micro surveys. So these will be general questions which we would collect as a insight, a mobile user insight, and we'll be paying some very good amount for each and every micro survey that is completed by your users. And not only that, what we have focused is that every time your user takes the survey, he is also able to make something. In other words, we are able to, we'll be rewarding your user directly. So it's kind of a win-win scenario for both developer and user, where you have both the developer and user, we reward and we help monetize. So basically there are two types of two type of developers that I work with and I know. One is a user, maybe a lot of you must be out here who have created a very nice game or an app and you're looking at acquisition. And the other type of user is the ones who have already got 100K or much more users, and you're looking to monetize in a better way. So for both these two categories, our Zippy Revs mobile survey SDK works very well. How? For the developers who do not want to show very intrusive ads or something, but still want to monetize, they can actually choose where to invoke a micro survey and make a good amount of money. And for the ones who are already monetizing, with my friends from vServe are there, and Adatha is there, so they have their own something called Ad SDK. So our light survey SDK works besides that very easily. So while you are monetizing from banners and video ads, you can also have your users take survey and make more money, what we call additional monetization using Zippy Revs. So that's about it. Our stall is there by the name of Markelytics, and I invite all of you to come and engage with us. You can we can share more data and help you go ahead with integration and making the most out of India's first micro survey SDK, Zippy Revs. So guys, any questions quickly? Yeah, please.
Service, micro surveys, right?
Yeah.
Are they connected to the game? Example, I make a game. Are they about gaming or random topics? Because if it is about random topics, it's most likely that the gamer won't get irritated by the decision. If it's something about gaming, most likely the answer. So it's going to be about the game. You help us choose what surveys you take, or you just give it randomly.
Okay. So just to paraphrase your question, so you want to know whether how does a gamer keep the user experience good while giving him a survey, right?
your survey will be according like towards gaming, like something about gaming or something in that market or random.
Okay, so our survey would be, something called general surveys. So it will be about, brand related stuff or maybe for a new product development by an MNC. So these kind of very general questions.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, thank you guys.
Come on, guys. We heard it for him. Can we give it to him now? Thank you so much. I now call upon stage Priscilla D'Souza, HR of Dumaru Games, to present a bouquet to Mr. Sanjay. That was Sanjay from Marketalytics. Did you all have an amazing session this afternoon?